Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need rainbow, white, and clear pony beads, perler beads. You're also going to need mini perler beads, lots of string, scissors, a lighter, a needle. And you're going to start with making these and melting them. These are the fingers. This is the thumb, and then your three fingers here, and then pinky. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pattern in the video right now. Okay, once you have all your fingers made, what you need to do is make a hole on all of them through this bead and this bead on both sides. You're going to take your needle and you'll go through the bead, you're going to go through this bead here, now we have to make a little ring. So you're going to take these ends, make a little loop, put the strings through, grab the ends, and then pull. And you're going to take 5 perler beads. I have white ones, so I'm going to add all 5 of those. Okay, what you need to do is put your needle on one of the ends, and you're going to want to hold the other one so you don't lose your beads. And we're going to put the needle through the hole just like we did on the other side. Okay, we have one string through. Now put the needle on the other end, and we're going to go through this hole that I already made. It might be, depending on how well you melt these, it might be hard to get through. Once your string is through there, you're going to pull this, not all the way tight because you want it to be stretchy, and then tie it. You'll cut that off. Okay. Now you need to make a ring on all of these. Go put those aside for now. I forgot to mention you're also going to need this cuff, and I'll link this down below so you can make this part. Now for your mini pony beads, you're going to need to make rings. So you might have to adjust the size depending on your fingers. For my thumb, I did a 15 count, and for these three, I did 14 beads. And then for this one, I did 13. So you can put these aside for now. Now, I have, again, depending on, you might have to adjust the size here, but what I did was I put the cuff on and I put my finger on and tried to measure the length that you need of the string, but I just have these scraps, so I'm going to go ahead and use it, but if you want to be more precise, you can measure it out that way. So what you need to do is put your needle on the string, and you're going to find the middle bead and make a hole. And try to get the strings even and tie the string on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that with all my fingers, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, once you have all of those tied on, go ahead and set those aside and grab, we're going to start with the thumb. And for my pattern, I'm going to do rainbow. I'm going to start with pink, orange, yellow, and then I'm going to add white, green, blue, purple, clear. Now I'm going to repeat that. So pink, orange, yellow, white, green, blue, and purple. Now what you're going to do is take one end and go through the pink bead. You're going to tie this. Cut that off. Okay, we have one on. Now we need to grab this one, and I'm going to repeat the pattern, but I'm going to add a few additional sets. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I added all my beads on. I ended up doing 3 sets of the rainbow. Now you're going to take one end of the string and go through the orange, bring the ends together and tie it. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. Now, I already know because I've made one of these before that the next 3 will be the same. The only difference is for this next one, I'm going to add one additional bead at the end. So I'll add a clear behind the purple. So I'm going to go ahead and add those 2, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I went ahead and added these on. And like I said, the only difference between the three is I added a clear for the middle finger. And this is for the pinky. I have 2 sets of rainbow and then a partial. You're going to take your string and go through, tie it, cut that off. Okay, so at this point, go ahead and put this on. Okay, once you have this on, now we need to adjust where the rings go. So you'll put one ring on. So you might have to play around with it, but for me this fits good underneath the white. So I'm just going to do that with I'll put it, yeah. Whoops, I lost that one. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop this to go get that ring that flew across the room. Okay, I went ahead and put it on. I just put it in the same place that I have over here. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty crazy. I painted these, so that's optional, of course. And then I made another one. I pierced the pinky on this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.